Hello, my name is Chinmay Dandekar. So today we will learn how to create a registration page, only the front end, not the back end, only the front end. So these practicals will be related to Mumbai University practical solutions. Let's get started. So I'm going to new project. I'll create an empty activity. Don't create an empty view activity. We will create an empty activity. Next. Okay. Now after this, I will change the name as practical 2. Okay. So main activity has been created. The build is running. Successful. It took 2 minutes. I'll just quickly turn off this. Yeah. Now everything is fine. Now we can edit. Okay. So I will just remove these both creations. I will remove this part as well. Okay. Nothing over here. For now, for the practical A part, what we are going to do, we are going to create one resource file. That is, but first, before creating a resource file, we should create an Android resource directory. So we'll go to resource directory. Okay, we'll go to values and resource type. We will select layout. Okay, okay, a layout folder has created, a repository is created. Okay, now I will right click over here and create a layout file. So linear layout is here. So I will give the file name as activity underscore main. Okay, then done. Now I will go to layout and I will just download this part. Okay, what is this? It is constraint layout. So we will be using constraint layout throughout all our projects, all our practicals. So inside that constraint layout, we can use another layouts like build is successful. Constraint layout is with us. Now we will go to the code. We have linear layout over here. Now we will just remove this linear layout and we will add this constraint layout. Okay, constraint layout is not coming. Maybe I guess this will do. Yep. Okay, this is how you can add a constraint layout, but we have already prepared a code for this. I will just, not wasting time, I will just do the same thing to make the video short. Okay, okay, now just close this. Okay, this we have created. We have tools, android schemas. Okay, then match parent, it's covering whole border. Then this main activity name dot activity vertical, and the orientation is vertical, it's not horizontal. Means it is not in landscape, it is in portrait mode. Okay, now we will create a linear layout over here. How to create that? We'll just type linear layout match parent and wrap content. Whatever the content will be there, it will get wrapped into it. Okay. Then we will set the orientation. I will just quickly type orientation and set it to vertical. Next, what can I do? Ignore missing constraints. Okay. Ignore missing constraints. Okay, done. I will just close it. Linear layout, done. I have created a linear layout over here. See, you can view this in the blueprint option. See, this is the linear layout. Okay. Now in that, I am going to create a text view. You can create a text view from here as well. A text view. You can drag this text view and drop it over here. Maybe in the center. See, the whole code is given. Though what things you have to make changes is you have to give the text as @ string slash what name you are to give, registration page. Okay, so why it is coming red? Because this particular string is not available with us. To make it available, what we have to do, you have to just hover our cursor on this error and go to create string value resource page. After coming over here, you have to just type it in your particular desired way. So if I want all the letters in capital, I can type all the letters in capital. REGIS station page. Okay. See, the error has disappeared. Now, where has this string gone? So when you will go to values and you will see a strings XML over here. What you have to do, go inside that and you can see the string has created over here. This is where your string is coming. So every time there is any such value over here, you have to get it from there. Okay. So this is how you can add all the widgets, whatever you want, all the these things, multi-line comment, multi-line text, password, pin, whatever you want, you can add this by this method. Okay, I will just copy paste the code what I have without wasting time and show you the output. Okay, and I will resolve the errors. See, okay, this is the error. I will just remove it. Okay, so you can see multiple red lines over here. What is this? String name. So I will just go and resolve this as create name. Okay, the name is created, name is gone. Then the string gender. Gender. Okay, gender has created male. These are the bullet points. Okay, radio button that we have created over here. See, the radio button, I have used radio button. I have used edit text view, edit text to write any text over here, any other and keep in mind that I have used table layout for this. So table layout divides your, or it you can say that it will make your registration page look more cleaner and neat. Okay, it will divide it into rows and columns. So one row will contain this part, second row will contain this part, that way. Okay, next, female. Select language. Select language. Okay, agree. terms and condition. Accept terms and conditions. Whatever terms and conditions will be there, you have to accept it. For your info, I'm not giving anything as such, means information I'm not giving. So you can take any information that you would like for terms and conditions. I'm just writing info over here. Which will change this part to info. And in string register, I will change the name as where it has gone. Yes, register. Okay, so register has appeared over here. After that, what I have need to do is I have to create a drop down list for this particular, for items. I have to create a drop down list for spinner. So spinner, we know that whenever we have to create a drop down list, a part of list or menus, we have to use spinner. Okay, so for this, what we are going to do, we will go in the string.xml. We will create a string array, name languages. Okay, inside that I'll write item, name of the item, whatever it is, Python, next item, that will be Java, third item will be Kotlin. Okay, these orders doesn't matter, but whichever you like, you can add them however you like. Okay, okay, so now your registration page is created. Now whatever, make sure it has a green text. So see, you can see over here that register button has no color. So if you want to add color, any color, see purple 500. So here is no color. So I will just add a color background. Android background is equals to purple 500. See, text color. Give the text color as white maybe. So it may be visible. Yep, it is visible. And if you want to add a background to your constraint layout, you can add as well by using this background color, maybe teal, maybe black. See, black, maybe teal 200. See, this is the way you can add colors to your back. Okay, this is done. You can give the name of the title as well as, but first we have to override this function, set constraint content view, set content view maybe this, that is r dot layout dot activity main. Now I will just go down over here and I will use title, practical to. See, this is done. Everything is done. All strings are created. Now what I will do is go and run this. So this is the final output. For the next part, you can watch the next video. Thank you.